Hey everyone, welcome to Flutter Crash Course. Myself Sundar, I'm a founder of App Making Academy. So let me explain what's inside this course. So this Flutter for Beginner course, I have divided into 5 different modules. The first module comes with the introduction. So here we will learn about what is Flutter and why you need to choose the Flutter and what is the difference between Flutter with the other framework and what are the advantages of the Flutter and who is using Flutter. So these are covered in the first module. Also we will do the installation. So if you are using a Windows or a Mac machine, so we have an installation video for you. And once you complete the installation, so we will create our first project. So these and all cover with the first module. In the second module, we will learn about what is the file structure and what is the folder structure of the Flutter and why we need that. So then we will learn about some basics commands about the Flutter and how to create your first Hello World project. So inside the Hello World project, we will learn how to display the text and how to display the images, changing the backgrounds. In a third module, we will learn about how to create a rows and columns and how to put all the widgets together and make a beautiful UI. Also, we will learn about how to work with a stateless widget and stateful widget, what is the difference between and when you have to choose that. At the end of the module 3, we will create an application something like this. It's look like a torchlight. So when you tap on this, the bulb will turn on, and if you tap it again, the bulb will turn off. So this is what we will learn in module 3. In module 4, we will learn about the fundamentals of the Dart programming. So once we complete that, we will create a quiz application. The quiz application looks something like this. So here we will learn about how to work with the Dart and how to write the functions and how to design a beautiful UI. So everything covers under the quiz application. Once we completed the quiz application, at final module, we will learn how to generate the APK, also how to change the app icon. So these are the things we will learn inside this course. In case if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the instant notification whenever we are uploading a new video. So are you ready? Let's dive into the session.